How to search for Twitter direct messages. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today video we are going to learn how we can just search for our Twitter direct messages. So you can see that here at the bottom there are 5 options. For a direct message you have to click on the last one, which is just shown by a little envelope message type logo. You have to click on that, and here you can see that at the top there is a search direct message. You can just search for a direct message which you have done, like I'm just going to search for hello, and you can see that I have not done or just have communicate with any person till now, so it is shown no result for hello. But if you have any conversation or just have a direct message with any person, you can just type it here and find out here in any way. And you can just also see over here there are the 3 options, which one is for people, groups and messages. Like when you click on people, you can see the peoples which you have texted you or just message you hello, or the person. In a group you will be shown all the groups which just contain hello, and on the messages obviously a message. And you can also here see a little message plus this option. You can click on that and just select a random person to text a message with, like I'm just going to send a message for this one. And after that you have to click on next, and here I can just start a new conversation like hello, and it has been just done, and it will be just shown over here. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.